So last Friday, we had the 12th annual welding competition, hosted by Riverland, sponsored by numerous companies around the area.
We had to do stick welding and wire feed welding in a written test.
We had a lot of other high schools come in and compete for prizes and such for welding.
5 of the 6 overall top welders were from Austin, so it was pretty cool.
We did really good for the school. We got like the top 5 overall winners.
Austin won 1st through 5th overall and a lot of the other sections too.
I really attribute our success this year because of the practice that they've had, the different positions that they've welded in, and then all the welds that they've done. First semester, there were over 46 different welds that they had to turn into me from arc welding, and it's about the same for wire feed. We're only about halfway through the semester, but they've obviously had at least enough practice right now to get to the level of to have some success in the welding contest.
Without construction workers, without welders, without all those people, there won't be anything that we can do. We can't build houses, we can't build roads, can't build bridges without them. The economy would just crash if they were gone.
Right now, we're at a juncture in our history where we are losing more skilled trade than we're gaining. So there are tons and tons of jobs out there. I heard an estimate of just in the I-90 corridor, there are over 500 positions open right now in the field of metalworking. So the need is great. Like, we have a huge need for skilled labor right now.
Well, there's a high demand in trade workers because a lot of schools don't focus on trade. Schools like welding, construction and stuff. And there's been a real high need in that, and I think kids should get into it more and learn if they would prefer doing this, hands-on work, than sitting at a desk and doing papers and stuff like that.
We offer a lot of CTE courses down here. I know we're partnering with Riverland. We are partnering with the unions to offer apprenticeship programs in different areas. Next year we have full load of classes down here in the annex, so we're pretty proud of the way we're growing as a department.
It may seem the only thing like for guys to do, but I mean, I won 4th place and I'm a girl, so anyone can do whatever they want, even if it's welding.